Excuse me, kids, what did I say about littering in my classroom? Keep it in the trash can. See this? We have trash cans all around the room. Understand? Next time, put it in the trash, please. Anyways, class, so yesterday in the Lost and Found, there was a couple things. Here's one of them. Does anyone know who this belongs to? Oh, you, Kelly? Oh, yeah, here you go. Got like a pencil case or something. Oh, nice, I like it. Anyways, so today we have a lot of things to do. We better get started because time is ticking, okay? Listen, so kids, today we have a lot of planning today. It is going to be very stressful, so I need 2 volunteers, maybe 3. Well, yeah, fine, 3, whatever. I need 3 volunteers to come and help me plan our summer celebration party for this year. It's coming up very soon, so I need you guys to help me plan it, okay? Well, I guess it's more of like an end of summer type thing, but it doesn't matter. Anyways, 3 volunteers. Who would like to volunteer? I see a lot of hands. Well, of course, I'll pick you, Chelsea. Yes? I'll pick, Silver, stop raising your hand. I'm not picking. I will pick Chelsea and Kelly. I'll pick you today. And one more person. Fine, I'll pick John. That's fine. Okay, you 3 sit there. John, Kelly, and Chelsea. And we have to start planning. Here we go. I have my iPad here. I will write all of the notes down and any suggestions you guys give me. Let's see. It wasn't my idea in the first place to have a party for you kids, but whatever. Anyways, it should hopefully be fun, I guess. Okay, do you guys have any ideas? Chelsea? Kelly? John? Anything? Let me hear them. Ooh, balloons. Well, of course, it's a party. I shall write this down. Let's see here. Balloons. Okay, balloons, of course. What else? What kind of food do you think we should have, kids? John, pizza? Okay, I'll write that. Pizza. Ice cream too? Okay. What flavors? Okay. And what do you have any? Oh, cotton candy. That is a great idea. Thank you, Chelsea. Oh, and sugar dice? Wow, you have plenty of good ideas, I must say. Okay, balloons for decorations. Any other decorations? Oh, Kelly, you think you could make some? Well, sure. Do you have all the stuff that you need to make them? Oh, you need scissors and tape? Oh, Filbert, can you go to the next class over, please, and get some scissors and tape? No. Oh, you're just kidding? Just hurry, please go. Good. I'm glad there's 2 doors in this classroom, so you guys don't get to use that one. Anyways, let's see, what other decorations besides, whatever Kelly is making? Have any ideas? Oh, like streamers. We can add that. But I still need some more ideas, kids. Better ones. Oh, don't worry, Chelsea, you have great ideas, don't worry. Let's see. What other desserts besides ice cream should we have? Oh, well, I guess we already have cotton candy and shave ice. Kelly, any ideas? Cake, cupcakes. Sure, I guess we can add that. Cupcakes and cake. I think we have plenty of ideas, but maybe a couple more for the actual party. You don't have any ideas? Come on, I know you do. Just think. Anyone else in the class have ideas? A pool party? I mean, I guess I'll write that. I guess that works. A jumpy house? You kids are too old for jumpy houses. We are not doing that. Anything else before I put this away? No? Nothing? I thought you kids were smarter than this. I'll just think myself. I know. I'm so smart. How about an ice cream bar? Of course. Of course. Okay. We will be done with the ideas for now. Let me just put this away. Okay, I'm going to check my schedule. Let's see here. What else do we have for today? Oh, they're coming back. Oh, you guys got scissors. Oh, Filbert. Oh, you got scissors and tape. Perfect. Thank you. Oh, there's like hardly any tape left, Kelly, but here you go. Yeah, just do what you can with that. I might have some extra tape. Maybe I don't. Whatever. Anyways, kids. Oh, Filbert, I have a question to ask you. Come up to the front of the class, please. Have you finished reading that whole stack of books that I gave you last weekend? No. Well, did you start? Good. How many have you read so far? Oh, good. Well, I guess that's fine. You at least read 2. I expected you to read faster, but whatever. Hopefully you actually read them and didn't cheat. I'm going to give you a quiz at the end of class today of those 2 books that you read. And by the end of next week, you better have read all of the rest of them. Understand? Good. Or else the scary library who works here is going to get you in trouble. She's pretty vicious. I wouldn't want to not return my books to her. So you better read them quick, Filbert. Quick, quick, quick. That's what I thought. Now sit back down. Good. Okay. Oh, you have something to say? Yes? Oh, well, hold on a second. Kelly and John and Chelsea, you guys can go back to your seats. Thank you so much for your help. Oh, anyways, what were you saying? Oh, you found this after school. Oh, for Lost and Found? Oh, well, thank you. Does this belong to anyone? No? That's strange. Well, I'll just put it down here in the Lost and Found until someone claims it next week or the rest of this week, whatever. Oh, yes, you have a question? What is it? It's rainy today. Oh, rainy day lunch? I don't know. Let me check. But shh, don't talk. Stop talking. Shh. Well, it doesn't look like it's rainy to me. Why do you ask? You were pranking me. Excuse me. You do not prank Miss Johnson. Nobody does. And I'm pretty sure Filbert learned that the first couple weeks of school when he got sent to detention. Isn't that right, Filbert? Good. No more pranking Miss Johnson. Where's my flower pen? That was weird. Here it is. Who pushed it aside? I'm offended. I should write a detention list. That seems like a good thing to do right now. Perfect. Oh, I just remembered something. I have something to give you kids. Hang on. Let me find it. Well, the strange new sciencey principal told me to give you guys these stickers. I don't really know why, but just take them so they're out of my desk. Yeah, just pass them out. Whatever. Anyways, I'm going to write a list. Put your hand down. I do not want any questions right now, or I will put you in detention. Understand? Good. Let's see. Who should miss lunch today? For the most part, you kids have been pretty good today, which is surprising. But I'm sure someone will mess up and they won't be going to lunch today. So I'm going to decide right now. Oh, right, you were the one who pranked me earlier. I'll put your name down for sure. What's your name again? Answer me, please. Whatever, I'll just write your name down as Prank Kid. Good. Now, everyone can see. Detention, Prank Kid, since I don't even know your name. And I will be adding more to the list, but I will put it right here so everyone can see the entire classroom. Got it, kids? Good. Now, everyone get your writing workbooks out, and we're going to do exercise 54. Look in the book, find it, and do the exercise, please. And I will just wait here until you are done. Once you are done, raise your hand. Thank you, kids. Let's see. I should start cleaning my desk. It's a little bit dirty. While you guys do that, I'm going to tell you something. When I came in my classroom last week when I got home from my vacation, there were a lot of strange and disgusting pink things everywhere. Does anyone know who that was from? Or did one of you kids do that? There was a little sign, it said dream, and there was a little fox on top. Oh, I still have it. It's right here. Like, who is messing with my stuff? And who put all the disgusting pink stuff everywhere? Does anyone know? Who was it? Kelly, what'd you say? Oh, it was her, the substitute. The one we just hired? That is very weird. I don't know if I should even hire her again. Very strange. What else happened while I was gone? Tell me, while you do your work things. Actually, all the kids, you just do your work, and Chelsea, how about you just tell me? Yeah, you're the only one. Just tell me what happened. Since you're the best kid, of course you did nothing wrong. Yeah, go ahead. The principal came in many times and gave you stuff? What kind of stuff? Oh, well that's weird. I didn't know they hired such a weird principal. Should have hired me instead. I'd make a great principal, don't you think? Of course. Anyways, kids, keep working on your worksheets. Thank you, Chelsea, for letting me know everything that happened while I was gone. Oh, and the janitor came in. Oh, interesting. Seems like a lot happened while I was gone. Very suspicious. Whatever. I'll just keep continuing with my day. Well, kids, keep doing your worksheets. I see some of you have already finished, but keep going. I will give you time because I am a nice teacher, of course. I'm waiting. Also, kids, something very... Oh, are you done with your papers yet? You all raising your hand? Oh, good. Looks like you're all done. Well, I have an extra school picture if anyone wants it. Here, Chelsea, you can have it. There you go. Yeah, just when we took pictures last weekend. That was so fun, wasn't it? Yeah. Well, for the kids who behaved. Filbert, you were one of the ones who didn't behave. Kids? Why is this here? It's from the principal. The heck? Ew, get that out of the way. Why did the principal do so many weird things? Very strange. Like I said, I should have been principal. Anyways, oh, someone's coming in. Oh, hi. Who are you? Oh, you're Kelly's mom. Hi, nice to meet you. Kelly is being so sweet today. She even said she would volunteer to help me think of ideas for our party, and she would help plan it, and that she would even make some decorations. So thank you so much, Kelly. You are so nice. I'm doing this so I get paid or something. I don't know. Just kidding. Yeah, of course. You can sit right there. Oh, you have something for me. That is so nice. Thank you. What is it? Oh, markers and a sketchbook. Oh, thank you. Oh, for the kids to do a project. Oh, wow. They would love that. Wouldn't you, kids? Wouldn't you? Yeah, of course. They would absolutely love it. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay. See you later. Bye then. What was that for, Kelly? Did you know about that? Why didn't you tell me beforehand? Well, I guess that's fine. Whatever. Anyways, I suppose we could do a small project. We haven't done one in a while. Okay, kids, open that and pick a marker and pass out paper and then give it back to me when you're done. Got it, Kelly? Thank you. Well, actually, fine. Just let Kelsey do it. Yeah, thank you so much, Kelsey. Good job. Well, just draw whatever you want, kids. Doesn't really matter at this point because lunch is coming soon anyways. Today has been so boring, kids. Whatever. I should get another plant, don't you think? Oops, I accidentally knocked this over, but it was probably one of you kids. It wasn't my fault. It's probably one of yours fault. Whatever. I'll just pick it up. I hate when I knock things over. Don't look at me. Get back here. I have an idea, kid. Maybe one of you for your little art project that Kelly's mom brought should do a painting or drawing, markers, whatever, of Johnson Creek. Wasn't it so pretty? I love Johnson Creek so much. My favorite. Hey, remember that time? Well, never mind, kids. Chelsea, remember that time where I put thumbtacks on Filbert's chair? That was so funny. Filbert, stop looking. So funny. Oh, are you done with the sketchbook? Oh, thank you. Are you done with that too? Good. Get it off your grubby hands, Filbert. Anyways, I guess I'll just take this nice thing of markers home to myself and enjoy it. Oh, why are you all standing up? Hey, sit down! The bell does not dismiss you, I do. Plus, it's not even the end of school. It's only lunch. But today, since I'm extra special and fancy and I'm just amazing and the best teacher in the whole entire world, I will let you go after lunch. So, as soon as lunch is over, just take all your stuff and leave. I don't care because, you know, I'm the best teacher ever. So yeah, I'm the very best, of course. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, go ahead, go to lunch, and I won't see you after. I will be taking care of my new gifts, if you will. So yeah, just leave, kids. That's fine with me. And I'll just start cleaning up my desk as I usually do, because you kids always mess it up. Well, see you kids later. Bye, Chelsea. Thank you. You were so nice today, of course. Well, see you later, kids. Goodbye. Who thought I would ever be nice and say bye at the very end? Nope. Bye, Chelsea. Goodbye.